Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I'm going to speak today on the life of our dear Hazrat Abbas. He was born in Medina on the 4th of Shaban to Hazrat Ali and Bibi Baneen. With news of Hazrat Abbas's birth reached Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, he prostrated himself on the ground as a token of his humble thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imam Hussein took the baby in his arms and recited the azan in his ears. At that time, the newborn baby opened his eyes to see the face of Imam Hussein before looking at everyone else. Hazrat Abbas grew into a handsome man, and his courage and unflinching loyalty to Imam Hussein were well known. He was true to the name Abbas, which in Arabic means lamb. Hazrat Ali's desire was that Hazrat Abbas dedicate his life to the religion of Islam and the Prophet's family. Hazrat Abbas saw his first battle when he was only 11. At the Battle of Siffin, he was masked in armors and fought so valiantly and vanquished so many that all thought that this masked fighter was Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Abbas' devotion for Imam Hussein was so deep he used to worship the very ground that the Imam walked on. As a young child, he prevented others from serving Imam Hussein, even if it was to hand him a cup of water. At the battlefield in Karbala, when Shimr wanted to spare the life of Abbas and asked him to join, the forces of Yazid. Abbas responded with contempt and told Shimr that he would never associate with the corrupt and misguided Yazid. In the Battle of Karbala, Hazrat Abbas gave up his life while trying to get water for the children in Imam Hussein's camp. When he fell down and called for Imam Hussein, the Imam rushed to him and placed Hazrat Abbas's head in his lap. Hazrat Abbas opened his eyes for one last time and breathed his last, seeing the same face that he had seen when he was born. Assalamu ala ya Abul Fasl Abbas ibn Ali and Amirul Mu'mineen wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salawat.